How to make $100 a day on Clickbank with free automated traffic today. So the software we're going to use is called Twitter. And we're going to use that in conjunction with another piece of free software, which I'll show you in a moment. So I'm over at a website called SimilarWeb. Now this gives rankings and shows you the traffic that people get or websites get from the internet. So I've just typed in Twitter to have a quick look. Worldwide it ranks number 4 on the internet and number 5 in America. And if you have a look here, it gets 5.83 billion views. 5.83 billion views. So it is a massive, massive source of traffic. Today I'm going to show you how you can tap into that, how you can make $100 a day on Clickbank, and we're going to be able to automate it. All right, so let's move on. And before we do, if you're new to the channel, why not subscribe? Hit the red subscribe button below and hit that bell icon. And if you do that, I promise I'll notify you every time I post a video and you won't miss any of these. And if you're not new to the channel and you're a regular, welcome. Great to have you here too. I appreciate you, and I know that you get value, and that's why you keep coming back. So we're just over here at Clickbank, and if you haven't got an account, just go up here into the top right hand corner, click on sign up, put in a few details, and then we can go across to the marketplace. If you're unfortunate to be in one of those countries where Clickbank won't allow you to be an affiliate, you can go over to another website called Digistore24. Has similar products but not as many, and I believe you can sign up from any country. So let's go over here to the marketplace. And look, you'll want to watch this video to the end. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get free landing page software, which normally would pay $97 plus up to $300 or $400 a month. Now I'm going to give you access to how you can get that for free, so you'll want to stay right till the end. So we're going to go over to the affiliate site, so the resources section, and this is where they give you, the vendor gives you all the resources, whether it be banners, whether it be swipe files, research they've done as to what converts and what doesn't, and they have done this really, really well. So we're paying up to 75% commissions on Manifestation Millionaire, and you can earn up to $156 in commissions per sale. So as you can see, what it said that you could make when you look at the one-time offers, OTA 2, OTA 3, you can make substantially quite a bit more than what it initially looked like. So you can see they do provide you a lot on this page, and what you'll need to do to get access to all the resources is just go here, put your details in, and you'll get access to a lot more than what's here already. Now this is what I was talking about, swipe files they've got here. So, and they give you several links where you can, several different landing pages, quiz pages. And what's really of interest to us today as we click on here, and as you can see, they've got different pre-made tweets already for us here. So what makes this method so appealing and powerful to people? Not only are we using Twitter, but I'm going to show you some software in a moment that you can automate the posting of your content, and that's real leverage when you can do that. And you can do this with a completely new, fresh Twitter account. No followers, no subscribers at all. Okay, so here's the automated process. So go to a website called tweetdeck.twitter.com. Now this is where we can automate the posting of our tweets to Twitter. So go and sign up. It's free to sign up. And this will integrate with your Twitter account. You might need to give it approval to do that. But this is where the power comes into this method, in that you can put your posts in 2-3 days, a week ahead, so that you can program a week off tweets if you want. And then they just go out automatically when you've programmed them. So I'm just going to show you how you can schedule a tweet. And if you don't know what a tweet is, that's what we call posts in Twitter. If you've never, some people maybe have never been to Twitter. So Twitter, we call them tweets, and you're limited to the number of characters. So what we do is we go up here and just click on tweet. Brings up this box, and you've got schedule. Now, why I chose this program, this particular product to demonstrate this today was because of the tools that it had when I find them here. So what we can actually do is we can just highlight that, copy that, go back over here to TweetDeck, and now we can paste it. And now we want to find, because Twitter works on hashtags, so we want to find relevant hashtags. So now I'm going to show you another website where you can find these hashtags, and you'll see this here says link, and we're going to get our affiliate link, but what I'm going to do is shorten it with a URL shortener, and I'll show you where to get that too. So we go over here to a website called hashtagify.me, and what we do, because this product is around law of attraction, so we type in law of attraction, and what this does is does a search of Twitter to see what hashtags are being used. So LOA, Abraham Hicks, who's one of the writers, abundance and love and affirmations. And so we'll probably use LOA, Abraham Hicks and abundance. All right, so you can see I've put in LOA, law of attraction, Abraham Hicks, the secret and abundance. I still tend to capitalize the first letters. It's just habit. It works in lowercase, no spaces with your hashtags. Now we're going to get our affiliate link. So to get our affiliate link, what we do is we click on promote. Now that'll bring up the box. If you're signed in, your username will be your account nickname. So you then just click on generate hop link. This TID, you can put a tracking ID if you want to. Say you were using multiple sources of traffic, and you wanted to see which source of traffic was giving you, generating the results. So you might put Twitter here. Let's do that, TWT. And if you're using Facebook, you might put, and so you could have different links with the same affiliate link, but it will give you different tracking IDs on the end of it. And I'll just show you what that looks like. So here, after the link, $TID equals TWT, and you keep a list of them so you know which one you've allocated to which traffic source. So now we're going to click on that, and we're going to go over to another website now. That website is called Bitly, B-I-T-L-Y. We want to shorten that long link. So we just click on create link. When it decides to load, you put that in there, and then click on create, and it'll give you a nice short link. Doesn't look spammy, and then we'll use that. I haven't created it, but I'm going to use this one. It was a bit slow loading, so I've just logged in. You can see these are what I've already got set up, and it's as simple as going to add a new link, and then you'll just put a title in there, and I'll get something from the resources. And here's where you actually put your affiliate link URL in there. Click on save, and then you would take this link and go to Bitly. I gave you, this is a better way to do it. Take your Linktree link and go to Bit. But then again, if you want to track, you can put your affiliate link from Clickbank into Bitly. Get a shortened one of them, and then put that in here. Then that will track the number of hits, because Bitly actually tracks how many times the link is clicked on. So then we take the link, our Linktree link, which is this one here. Now you can either put the Bitly link into your TweetDeck, or you can do Bitly, up to you. So I'm just going to put the Linktree one in there. I'm not going to change it just for the person exercise. So you can either put your bit.ly link in there or your Linktree. Probably better to put the Linktree link, and if you want to use bit.ly to shorten your Linktree link and to track it, that's a better way to do it as well. Sorry for the confusion. Now, just on that, because we're limited to the number of characters, it probably, if you're running short on characters, it would be better to shorten your Linktree link with bit.ly. As I said, it will track it as well. Then what we do is we go down here and we can either send that tweet today immediately, or we can go down here and schedule. As you can see, we'll schedule it even if it's not running. So you can click on the calendar here, and you can set these out for as long as you like. So then what you do is you go back to your resources page again, and you get all those tweets. And then you can go to their other articles and take, it may be for Facebook. It doesn't matter what they've got them listed under. You can use those posts, put them in TweetDeck, and schedule them out a week in advance. And, because you're regularly posting these, and with the hashtags, these hashtags get a lot of, the size of that hashtag when you looked at it on the website is that, the demand, and by using the hashtags, that's what we'll get. Because you've got no subscribers, it doesn't matter. The hashtags are what will get you found. People will come to your tweet, they'll read it, they'll click on the link, they'll go to your Linktree. Some of them will click on that, and probably a big percentage of them will buy it, because the hashtag that's shown up is because that's what they're looking for. So it's really targeted traffic, which is what you want. And that, my friends, is how you can make $100 a day on Clickbank with free automated traffic today. Now, I said if you waited till the end, I would tell you about some free landing page software. Landing page, sales funnel. And the great thing about this is it has its own autoresponder built in. A lot of them you've got to go there and get a third-party autoresponder. So up in the left-hand side of the screen, there'll be a thumbnail that says get lifetime access. Click on that, and then that will take you in another video. In the description below that video, there'll be a link to take you to how you get access to that, or how you get it for free. There's no credit card required. You can just sign up, you get it for free. And if you've got value from today's video, why not subscribe and hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified of future videos. And if you've got any questions or comments, please feel free to post them below in the comment section. I always answer questions, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.